We know that not everyone is on board with a pool in condos in Toronto. Often pools are associated with higher maintenance fees because it costs more money to maintain them and to heat them. But should we always poo-poo the pool? Well, in some cases, yes, but it might depend on the kind of person you are. If you are the kind of person who likes to swim, if you are the kind of person who likes to read a book by the pool, or you are the kind of person who likes to entertain and have friends come by in the summertime to cool off on a hot day, then a pool may be a great idea. And of course, if you have small kids or small nieces and nephews, a pool in the summer is a great way to make a very easy, fun day. When you have limited access to outdoor space, a pool can feel like a cottage on the lake if you were in downtown Toronto. Yes, I know a pool is not the same as a lake, but it is an opportunity to catch some rays and to cool off on a hot summer day. And though pools add to the condo fees, it may not be as high as you think. If you live in a larger condo, the maintenance for the pool will be spread out between more units, and the impact of those fees may not be as great as you anticipated. When well-maintained, well-designed, and well-used, a pool can be a great asset to your condo. So don't poo-poo the pool. When summer comes rolling around, all those friends and family who told you not to buy a condo with a pool will be calling you to come over and cool off. I'm David Coffey of Bosley Real Estate.